breaking news now coming in from Maharashtra. Maharashtra government has ordered an inquiry into a possible drug nexus, but that is about Kangana Ranaut. So this is not related directly to the Sushant Singh Rajput death case, but we are getting information that Maharashtra government has ordered an inquiry into Kangana Ranaut's possible involvement in a drug nexus. But why has this information suddenly come in? This is based on an old interview of actor Adhyan Suman, and he had made these allegations. Maharashtra government has now taken on from there, have ordered this inquiry. Just to reiterate for our viewers what was said in that interview given some time ago, in fact. In the interview, Adhyan Suman, the son of actor Shekhar Suman, has claimed that Kangana Ranaut used to consume drugs and also forcefully give him drugs as well to Adhyan Suman, and now the police is likely to inquire into this. So that's a big news coming in. Could this be an added standoff, an escalation to the war of words between Kangana Ranaut and the Maharashtra government? Remember, there were words exchanged between Sanjay Raut and Kangana Ranaut. Maharashtra ministers also made accusations when she took to Twitter and called Mumbai. It is now looking like POK if she cannot return. And therefore, then she was given a Y category security after she said she's facing threats now due to that reaction. So there were a lot of war of words. Then BMC decides to go against her property in Mumbai, an office, serving notice against some illegal alleged alterations. But this could be really big. This could be about Kangana Ranaut possibly now getting investigated into a drug nexus. This is only based on one of her former partners, Adhyan Suman, who seems to have given an interview and in which he seems to have said and claimed that Kangana Ranaut was into drugs and she was giving him drugs as well. So if he was consuming it, it was not that he was doing it himself, but it was Kangana Ranaut who was administering those drugs to him. So that's the big breaking news coming in on India Today at this hour. Getting us all the latest is my colleague Kamlesh Sutar. He's at the Mumbai Secretariat. This could be big news, Kamlesh. Tell us all the latest of what you're picking up. Why did Maharashtra government suddenly would jump in, want to investigate a drug nexus against actor Kangana Ranaut?
Yes, Pooja. See, there was a request made by Shiv Sena MLA Pratap Sarnaik, who is with us. He had raised this issue in the assembly on the floor of the house, saying that there is an old interview of Adhyan Suman, based on which the Maharashtra government has ordered this inquiry. Joining us now is Pratap Sarnaik himself. Mr. Sarnaik, आपने आज ये कंप्लेंट किया था असेंबली में कि कोई पुराना इंटरव्यू था. क्या स्पेसिफिक कंप्लेंट था जिसके बेस पर ड्रग नेक्सस की बात की जा रही है?
देखिए, कंगना रनावत जी के बारे में मेरा जो देखने का एक तरीका था वो आज से बदल गया है. मैं ये समझता हूं कि केंद्र की सरकार, केंद्र के गृह मंत्री अगर Y+ कैटेगरी की सिक्योरिटी अगर उनको देती है तो उनकी समाज में प्रतिमा बहुत ही अच्छी होनी चाहिए, क्योंकि बहुत बड़े बड़े लोगों को Y+ कैटेगरी की सिक्योरिटी मिलनी चाहिए और उनको मिलती है. कुछ साल पहले उनके बहुत ही करीबी दोस्त अध्ययन सुमन ने ऐसा आरोप उनके ऊपर किया था कि वो काले जादूगर करती है, काले पुतलियां रखती है और साथ ही में वो मुझे ड्रग दिया करती थी और खुद भी ड्रग का सेवन करती थी. तो अगर अध्ययन सुमन उनके ऊपर अगर झूठा आरोप करता है तो उसकी इंक्वायरी होनी चाहिए. अध्ययन सुमन को भी अरेस्ट करना चाहिए. अगर वो सच बोलते हैं तो कंगना रनावत जी कहां से ड्रग लाती थी, किसको देती थी, वो ड्रग डीलर उनका कौन था, पैसे कहां से लाती थी, ड्रग कहां पे छुपाती थी, इसका भी इंक्वायरी होना चाहिए, ऐसा मेरा कहना है. क्योंकि वो बहुत बड़ी अभिनेत्री है, झांसी की रानी, मराठाओं के बहुत सारे फिल्मों में और साथ ही में मधुर भंडारकर के फैशन फिल्म में भी उन्होंने बहुत अच्छा काम किया था. इस सब चीजों को लेके उसकी इंक्वायरी करना महाराष्ट्र पुलिस की जरूरी है.
लेकिन ये ड्रग नेक्सस अभी ढूंढा जा रहा है, तो ऐसे कहीं ना कहीं आरोप लग रहे हैं सरनाइक साहब कि एक विच हंटिंग हो रहा है, बदले की भावना से हो रहा है.
समाज में उनके जो प्रतिमा है वो प्रतिमाओं का कहीं पे भी जो प्रतिमा उनकी है वो मलिन नहीं होनी चाहिए. आप भी जानते हो, अगर देखिए सुशांत सिंह राजपूत के केस में 5-6 साल पहले से क्या हो रहा था वो भी देखा जा रहा है. ये तो अभी की बात है, तो उसकी इंक्वायरी होगी जरूर।
चलिए, तो शिवसेना लीडर Pratap Sarnaik there is saying that though quite in a sarcastic mode, he says that she is a great actress who's been accorded Y+ security, and that is why the allegations made on the basis of an old interview of actor Adhyan Suman. In that interview, he had made these allegations that Kangana Ranaut used to administer him drug. He says that also needs to be inquired. But just a while before, Home Minister Anil Deshmukh. Yes, Pooja.
Kamlesh, so let's just get this straight for our viewers. According to the information that you've also sent, so the government has ordered an inquiry. Is it planning to order an inquiry? Will it think of ordering an inquiry into a possible drug nexus?
No, the Home Minister was very clear just a while before, just as the media stands here outside the Vidhan Bhavan. Home Minister Anil Deshmukh made it clear that he has ordered an inquiry, and he had said that on the floor of the House. Remember, the session is on, so whatever information has to be shared first has to be shared on the floor of the House, since it's the privilege of the members. So it was first announced inside the House, and then Anil Deshmukh, the Home Minister, came out and spoke to media persons here, where he announced that based on the complaints filed by Shiv Sena leader Pratap Sarnaik and also another Shiv Sena leader Sunil Prabhu, raised this issue of an old interview where Kangana is speaking, where Adhyan Suman is speaking of Kangana Ranaut's drug nexus. He says we have ordered an inquiry into that matter. So the government has now ordered an inquiry, and police will be inquiring into that matter, obviously, which involves the Kangana drug nexus angle also. That would also be thoroughly inquired into.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.